Halo semuanya, hari ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang eh, topik terkait tugas 2. Yang pertama, telling activities in relation with the time. Present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Arti present yaitu masa sekarang. Jadi pengertian present continuous tense adalah bentuk tense yang dapat kamu gunakan untuk menjelaskan sesuatu atau menyatakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung selama waktu tertentu pada masa sekarang. Tense ini dipakai untuk menunjukkan aktivitas yang sedang dilakukan. Biasanya ditandai dengan kata lagi atau sedang. Bentuk ini menunjukkan bahwa aksi tersebut terjadi sebelum, selama, dan berlanjut setelah waktu atau aksi lainnya. Rumus present continuous tense untuk kalimat positif adalah subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Rumus kalimat positif present continuous tense adalah subject, be, verb 1 ing plus complement. Contohnya, I'm writing a letter to my friend. Subject I, be, am, verb 1 ing, writing, complement a letter to my friend. Contoh kedua, she is reading a book in the park. Subject she, be is, verb 1 ing, reading, complement a book in the park. Contoh ketiga, they are playing football on the field. Subject they, be are, verb 1 ing, playing, complement football on the field. Rumus kalimat negatif present continuous tense. Subject plus be plus not plus verb 1 ing plus complement. Contohnya, I'm not writing a letter to my friend. Subject I, be, am, not, verb 1 ing, writing, complement a letter to my friend. She is not reading a book in the park. Subject she, be is, not, verb 1 ing, reading, complement a book in the park. They are not playing football on the field. Subject they, be, are, not, verb 1 ing, playing, complement football on the field. Rumus kalimat tanya present continuous tense. Be, subject, verb 1 ing plus complement. Contoh, are you writing a letter to your friend? Be, are, subject you, verb 1 ing, writing, complement a letter to your friend. Is she reading a book in the park? Be is, subject she, verb 1 ing, reading a book in the park, complement. Are they playing football on the field? Be are, subject they, verb 1 ing, playing, complement football on the field. Adverb of time dalam simple present continuous tense. Kata keterangan waktu dalam present continuous tense terbagi menjadi dua, yaitu waktu di mana pembicaraan sedang terjadi, at the time of speaking, now, right now, at the moment, at present. Yang kedua, aktivitas atau kegiatan yang kamu lakukan terjadi di sekitar waktu pembicaraan, around the time of speaking, this year, this month, this week, this semester. Yang kedua, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense adalah suatu pola kalimat dengan perubahan bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan atau mengungkapkan suatu aksi atau peristiwa masa lalu yang masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. Jadi, peristiwanya baru saja terjadi, tapi hasil atau akibat dari peristiwa tersebut masih bisa terlihat dan masih bisa dirasakan pada saat pembicaraan terjadi. Selain itu, tense ini biasanya digunakan untuk mengajukan peristiwa atau membahas tentang pengalaman atau perubahan yang berkaitan dengan suatu tempat. Rumus present perfect tense. Pada kalimat present perfect tense, setelah subjek akan diikuti oleh kata kerja alias verb. Tense ini menggunakan kata kerja ketiga atau verb 3. Rumus kalimat positif, subjek plus have or has plus verb 3. Contoh, I have written a letter to my friend. Subjek I have, verb 3 written a letter to my friend, complement. She has read a book in the park. Subject she has, verb 3 read a book in the park, complement. They are playing football on the field. Subject they have played football on the field. Sini salah ya. Subject they have, verb 3 played, complement football on the field. Kalimat negatif, subject have, has, not, verb 3. Contoh, I have not written a letter to my friend. Subject I have not, verb 3 written a letter to my friend, complement. She has not read a book in the park. Subject she has not, verb 3 read a book in the park, complement. They have not played football on the field. Subject they have not, verb 3 played football on the field, verb, complement. Kalimat tanya, have, has plus subject plus verb 3. Contoh, have you written a letter to your friend? Have, subject you, verb 3 written a letter to your friend, complement. Has she read a book in the park? Has, subject she, verb 3 read a book in the park, complement. Have they played football on the field? Have, subject they played, verb 3 football on the field, complement. Di dalam tense terdapat aturan yang sama. Berikut list detailnya, yaitu bentuk positif present perfect tense. I have, I've, you have, you've, we have, we've, they have, they've, she has, she's, he has, his, it has, its. Bentuk negatif present perfect tense. I have not, I haven't, you have not, you haven't, we have not, we haven't, they have not, they haven't, she has not, she hasn't, he has not, he hasn't, it has not, it hasn't. Jika ingin bertanya, jika ingin mengajukan pertanyaan pada lawan bicara, maka menggunakan question word yang diikuti present perfect tense. Apa itu question word? Question word adalah pertanyaan yang dibentuk dengan menambahkan awalan 5W plus 1H. What, where, who, when, why, how. Untuk pertanyaan tentang tempat, proses, alasan, rumusnya adalah sebagai berikut. Question word, have, has, been, subject, verb 3, past participle, component. Contoh, why have you moved the table? Rumus untuk menanyakan subjek, question verb, have, has, verb 3, plus complement. Who has washed the shoes? Time expression dalam present perfect tense. Sama seperti tense lainnya, pada umumnya ada keterangan waktu yang bisa kamu gunakan pada present perfect tense sebagai komplement sebagai berikut. Already, just, recently, lately, ever, never, yet, for, keterangan waktu yang menunjukkan masa lalu hingga sekarang. Since, keterangan waktu yang menunjukkan pertama kali kejadian atau kegiatan dimulai. Present Perfect Continuous Tense. Present Perfect Continuous Tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja atau tense untuk menyatakan aksi yang telah selesai pada suatu titik di masa lampau atau tindakan yang sudah dimulai di masa lalu, tetapi tindakan tersebut masih terjadi atau berlanjut sampai masa sekarang. Tindakan pada present perfect continuous tense biasanya berdurasi waktu tertentu dan ada kaitannya dengan kondisi sekarang. Rumus present perfect continuous tense dibagi menjadi 3. Rumus kalimat positif subject have been, verb ing present participle, verb 3 ing complement. Contohnya, I have been writing a letter to my friend. Subject I have been ing atau present participle writing complement a letter to my friend. She has been reading a book in the park. Subject she has been in reading complement a book in the park. They have been playing football on the field. Subject they have been playing complement football on the field. Rumus negatif, subject has have not been plus ing complement. Contoh, I have not been writing a letter to my friend. Subject I have not been writing a letter to my friend complement. She has not been reading a book in the park. Subject she has not been in reading complement a book in the park. They have not been playing football on the field. Subject they have not been in playing complement football on the field. Rumus kalimat tanya have subject been in present participle complement. Have you been writing a letter to your friend? Have subject you been in writing a letter to your friend complement. Has she been reading a book in the park? Has subject she been in reading complement a book in the park. Have they been playing football on the field? Have subject they been in present participle playing complement football on the field. Present perfect continuous tense justru dibentuk dengan verb have atau has. Untuk membuat kalimat dari tense ini, perhatikan dulu poin penting. Have biasanya digunakan subjek I, you, they, we, atau seperti boys, men. Has digunakan untuk subjek seperti third person singular pronoun, he, she, it, dan singular noun, Tony, Cersei, dan sebagainya. Mungkin ini saja dari saya. Semoga penjelasan saya dapat dipahami. Bye-bye.